Hey, what's good? What's happening? How are you doing? How are you feeling? I hope you are blessed. I'm Taz. Welcome to my channel if you haven't been here before. So today we are going to talk about a couple of things that you can do with fruits and veg that you buy from the store and how you can grow your own. So today we're going to be growing some plants. So by the way, my accents may change throughout the time. I tend to have a tendency of doing that. I don't know why, but yeah, bear with me. So today I'm going to show you how to grow your own avocado plant. Here's one I did earlier. This is my friend, my love, my baby. This is my avocado plant that I've been growing for 3 years now. Yes, 3 years. So when I started to grow my avocado plant, I thought it was gonna give me avocados straight away, but that's not how it works. It takes 10 years for it to turn into a tree and give you fruits. It's okay. It hurt me too, but to be honest, I've enjoyed actually growing this plant and going through this journey. It's a great feeling to be able to grow your own plant. So I really enjoy it and I'm obsessed with avocados. So I can't wait for 7 more years and I will have my own avocado tree. It's all good. I can wait for 7 years. So for you to grow your own avocado plant, all you need is your avocado. Cut it, take out the seed, wash it. I've just cut out a plastic bottle. Recycle, why not? You should always recycle all your plastic if you have any at home. And then I'm going to use 4 toothpicks, place it diagonally into the avocado. Quite easy to actually poke through the seed. Fill your homemade plastic cup with water and place your seed in. Your seed should be 1/3 submerged into the water and the top bit left. So just like that. And then you just leave it by the windowsill and allow the root to come through. So then the root will come through from the bottom and then you will start to get a stem at the top. And once you have a stem with a leaf, you can then transfer that onto a pot with some soil and leave the flower pot by the windowsill and continuously make sure that you water your plant because avocado plants need a lot of water. So that's how this happened. This is one that I've done beforehand and here's the seed cracking open, which means that the root will come through soon. Now something super easy and something super simple to do. When you purchase your spring onions once, why not continue to grow them at home with what you have and you get more for your money? So all you need to do is use your spring onion, cut your spring onion up to, let's say, up to the white point that you see, and then place it into water and it will start growing again by itself. So I used an egg tray and cut out the plastic tops just to place all my spring onions in there. It just allows them to stay separated and grow better. But then you can place them in a glass as well. So something super easy, super simple for you to do at home. Are you curious about what this is? Well, voila! So you only need 1 seed from your lemon. Break off your eggshell on top, put some soil inside and plant the seed and put some more soil on top and put some water and leave it by the windowsill. Again, I used my eggshell tray for it to be able to stand, stay, and this took me about 10 days for it to grow this amount. So this is it. So here's my eggshell, there's my soil inside, and my lemon plant growing from the seed. So once you have the leaves growing, it's now ready to go into a flower pot. I've just got some soil inside. I'm going to make some space for my whole eggshell to go in. And then I'm going to cover it with the soil. So here you have your lemon plant, and I've just put some water in, and I'll just leave this by the windowsill and wait for it to grow. So now I'm going to show you how you can grow your own bell pepper. It's very easy. You just need to take out the seeds from the bell pepper, and I've again upcycled one of my water bottles. I've just cut the top off, put some soil in. I'm going to spread about 4 seeds. Here you have the seeds spread out. Cover it with the soil and give it some water. And then what I'm going to do is get a cling film and cover the bottle to kind of create my own greenhouse. This allows the moisture to stay within and give it more heat to grow. So there's my pot covered. Also leave this by the windowsill. Here's one I've done earlier. So here they are. I'm just waiting for them to grow a bit more bigger so then I can separate them and put them into flower pots. It's great to grow your own plants, and you can do that by using the seeds of the fruits and veg that you purchase from the store. It's a fun project. You have great plants at home, and at the end of the day, you get to get your own fruits and veg at home. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this was useful for you. Please like, subscribe, and share this if this was helpful for you. Please let me know if you are growing something, and I would love to learn from you and try it out myself. So do comment and let me know if there's something that I could grow at home that I haven't tried yet. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Peace, love, go green.